Hi guys, today we will go for the tax certificate. Like in title search, how we will make tax report, title report, property details, everything, how we will make like current owner, to owner, full owner search. I already told you how to print the tax receipt, how to search the name search, putting first name and last name. So now we will go for tax certificate. Tax certificate is so easy. So here you want to take only assessor and tax receipt. Only three. Of taking all three, you can make the report. Report also is so simple. There is no much complicated. It's very easy. You can do it. Okay. So I am taking one sample order. So this is my sample order. So you guys already know that how to go for that county, putting last zip code number. Once again, I will show you. So just copy your zip code, come to Netra Online. Here they have given zip code to convert county converter. Paste it, click on convert. So this is the South Carolina state, Charleston County. So here, same. Here we have to take only Charleston assessor and only Charleston assessor and treasurer. There is no need to take these all things like audit, recorder. Recorder, when we will go for recorder means when we are doing tax title search on the time we have to go for Charleston recorder. If we are doing tax certificate, means only assessor and tax receipt, only three is required. Okay. Now click on assessor, go to data online. So copy your address. Means you can copy street number and street name. That's it. Just copy from here. Paste. See, they have given a street address. Paste it. Click on search. See, this is our address. We have to cross check whether it's correct or not. 805 Canberra Drive, Charleston, SC 29414. See, same thing is there. So click on view details. See, this is our assessor. See, they have given who is current owner, parcel number, property ID, address, and legal description. They also given lot 1, section 2. See who is the current owner, previous owner, sales history also they have given. So this is our assessor. So for that, we have to take print. Before taking print, I already told you, first you have to make one folder on that address. Okay, make it. Just paste your address number. So click on print. While taking print, you have to check whether this page coming fully or not. See here, one more page is coming extra. There is no need to take this page because it's blank. So all details are they are given in one page only. So select here pages. Okay, click one page. Click on save. Do it as a number one. This one. Okay. Now we will go for additional property info. For this county, I already told you how to take land and building volume separately. See, here they have given land and input. Building means improvement. Improvement and building both are same. Don't get confused. Okay, this is land will be same. Okay, so take this print. Click on A4. Should come like this. Okay, click on save. Give it as a number 4 value. Okay. So now we will go for tax. Okay, tax and taxing. Okay. See here they have given tax info option. Click on that. See here they have given your parcel number, property, who is the present owner, address, physical address, and see legal description also they have given. This is a tax history from 2022, 23, 24, 25. From past 4 years they have given history here. Okay. So click on print. There are two pages. There is no need to take all two pages. You can take only one page. Click on save. Give it as a to tax. Now you have to take latest tax bill. If that person is paid 2025, you have to take. Otherwise, he didn't pay 2025, you have to take 2024. See here, they have paid 2024, 25 taxes also. See, due date is for entire SC, means South Carolina State, January 15 is due date. Tax amount, if he paid penalty, no. Interest amount also he not paid. Fees, no. Total paid 989 dollars he paid. Status, whether you have to check is here. Sometimes he unpaid means there is no need to take this one. Okay, you have to take 2024. Okay, it's totally based on client. If some client will they will ask now, even though he didn't pay, you can mention that one. So it's based on client. You have to go for it. So 2025 tax he paid. So click on this one. Here also you have to check everything. Parcel number they have given, total paid amount, tax status paid. See, they have classified here for which city Charleston they have taken $379 county parks schools for they have made modify like for which some amount for which so TTTC $10 they have taken, so entire tax amount is $989. See, they have given paid date also. He paid December 30, 2025. Before due date only he paid. This is the total amount he paid. This is the receipt number. So click on print. Save it as a number 3 tax bill. This when you are doing tax certificate, this is enough. There is no need to go for name search, deed, mortgage, lien, judgment, nothing. There is no need to go for those all things. When you are doing tax certificate, only assessor, tax, tax bill. That's it, simple. See, for tax certificate, these all four are required. Rest of them, there is no need to take that deed, name search, print, lien search, print. There is not required. Only these four we have to take. Sometimes value also they have given in assessor only. On that time, there is no need to take value separately. If they have not given value in that same page, you have to take separately. First assessor, second tax, third will be taxable. Now we will go for report. Report is so simple. Just you have to verify the whatever things we have to paste here, like we have to mention here. Just it. Okay. See, this is report. I will tell you. So process date means which date you are doing, when you are doing, you have to mention order number. As of now, it says sample file. You can mention sample tax certificate. Borrower name means who is the present owner. You have to mention that person name. That your property address also you have to mention. Tax due. Tax due means whether he paid annually or semi-annually. You have to mention it. Okay. Parcel number you have to mention. Property zone. I will tell you if they have given you have to mention. Otherwise there is no. You can mention is a not applicable. N/A not applicable. Duplicate bill fee. So it should be $0 only. Land value, in that we have to mention that land value. Building value we have to mention. We have to total all land and building value we have to mention here. Is there any exception like homestead, like is there means we have to mention, otherwise there is no need to mention. We have to mention only NA not applicable. Total taxable value means whatever the amount here we have mentioned assessed value we have to mention here only. Okay, I will tell you this note when I am doing this one. So here they have given judiciary, which county we are doing, tax year, whether he paid or not, total base amount, paid amount, due amount, mailing date, due date, delinquent date, pay date, good through date. Okay. So due date and delinquent date, pay date, you guys already know that. I already told these three also. Mailing date means when they will generate the tax bill. For example, that county going to generate the tax bill today means today is the mailing date. Particularly, they will give. We have already for which county what is the mailing date we will have. When you guys are going to practice on the time we will give. Okay. For mailing date is nothing. Don't get confused. When they are means county generating that tax bill on that date we call it as a mailing date. For particular county, mailing date will be fixed only. Some counties have 31st October. Some counties have September 9, like fixed date will be there for that mailing date. We will provide you. We have to check. So what is the mailing date means? That is when they are going to generate the tax bill. That date we call it as a mailing date. Okay. So now we will go for report. So one more thing. See, In second page, they have given tax authority detail means that county treasurer address we have to mention means which location that county office is located. We have to mention that county tax treasurer address here. Okay. So pursue date. Which date we are doing today? March 6. So 03/06/2026 today date. Order number, that's the sample. So there is no need to mention any order number. Okay. So borrower name. We have to go for assessor. So this is our assessor. See, these two persons are our owners. Already you guys know like which is the first name, which is last name, which is male. This is Catherine is the first name. You can mention here. E will be middle name. E. And there are two owners. So Jane Virus is one more name is G. Property address. For which address we are doing? This is our address. We have to mention this address only. So they have given 805 Canry Drive, Charleston, South Carolina. Zip code also they have given. Okay. So annually, this person is paying annually means once in a year he paying. So for that you have to mention annually. Parcel number. You guys know that which is parcel number, property ID, TMS number, all three are same. I already told you. So don't get confused. Sometimes they will give property ID, sometimes they will give parcel number, sometimes they will give TMS number. All are same. So this is our parcel number. Just copy, paste, property zone. In this assessor, they will give zone, property zone, like they have given property address, physical address, property class, plot, book, and neighborhood. In they will give one more column, property zone. So almost no, every county there will be no property zone. They have some counties they have given is how to mention. Okay, for here they have mentioned any zoning code, no, so there is no need to mention zoning code. You can mention as a not applicable, duplicate bill. Whether this bill is duplicate, no, it's a original bill. So there is no need to mention duplicate bill piece number. Land value. So for that, we have to go for value. See, they have given land and improvement. Improvement and building both are same. Don't get confused. Land, what is the land amount? 133, $400,000. We have to mention that one. $300,000. Okay. What is the building amount? 196, $400,000. Oh. Now we have to calculate this one. You see, they have calculated already. Even though they have not mentioned means you have to calculate yourself only. Don't go blindly for this amount. Okay. You have to check here. Sometimes they will give in this column. They will give like home value, like homestead value. See, not both. No. See, they have given as the exemption. See, they here only they have given value info. They have given exemption. The exemption column they have mentioned no. N means no. There is no exemption here. Okay. So for that you have to take if here they have mentioned any some kind of amount like $100, $1,000, $5, $10. You have to mention here in exemption column. See, there is no exemption. For that you can mention not applicable. So now you have to calculate total taxable value. What is the total taxable value? So this is the same amount, same taxable value amount come will here also. If is there any exemption in this page, you have to check whether they have mentioned $100, $1,000. You have to mention here. In that you have to minus in this total amount. If they have mentioned $400 means here you have to mention in 329,800. You have to mention that 400. Okay, and what is the rest amount? You have to mention here total taxable value. Okay, so for as of now there is no exemption. For that I am putting same what is the assessed value, taxable value also same. So here, see, now we are doing 2025 taxes. So this tax is 2025 tax. So we have taken 2025 taxes. So here we have to mention all priority paid 2025 taxes are paid. See, they are taxable will be mailed out 1st August 2026. Don't go through this one. I will tell you what is. So for this Charleston County, what is the mailing date? So we have one sheet. That sheet we have mentioned for Charleston mailing date. See, October 1st is the mailing date. So every year it will be changed for 2025, October 1st, and 2026 year will be changed, but date and month will be fixed. October 1st will be fixed, year will be changed 24, 25, 26, 27, like. So this is 2024. We here we have to mention mailed out on October 1st, 2025. Taxes are paid annually. Normally, due dates are, what is the due date for South Carolina? Jan 15. So 01, 15. Here, there is no need to mention year. So just to mention month and date, that's it enough. See, all prior taxes paid, 2025 taxes are paid, and 2025 taxes will be mailed out October 1st, 2025. Don't go for this year. It will be changed every year. It will be changed, but every year month and date will be fixed, but fixed, and year will be changed 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Like, okay. So October 1st will be the due date for mailing. Okay, mailing date they will generate on that only. So this taxes is annually. So they have paid on which due dates will be Jan 15. Okay. So which county we are doing? Charleston County. So here you have to mention Charleston. Charleston County. Tax year, which tax year we are doing? 2025. 2025. Status whether he paid or not paid. Mention paid. Base amount you have to go for tax. Base amount. See, $989.23. We have to see status also they have given paid. If you are in confused mood, you have to check here status whether he paid or not paid. So you can mention here base amount, which will be the same amount. Just copy. Paste. Amount paid, how much he paid, will get in downside. Paid amount, same amount he paid. Is there any amount due? No, because he paid a total amount. So dollar 0.00. Mailing date, as it is say, October 1st will be the mailing date. 10/01 2025. Due date, what is the due date? January 15. 01 05 2026. Because 2025 tax is going to due date on 2024. Delinquent date. Delinquent date means what is the last date of the tax? Next day will be the delinquent date. See, here in sheet we have mentioned everything also. Due date is January 15, delinquent is 16. Same. Next before of the due date will be the delinquent date. We call it as a delinquent date. 01 16 2026. Pay date. On which date he paid? For that we have to go for tax bill. See, December 30, 2025. He paid before delinquent due date only. December 30, 2025. Good through date, you can just mention not applicable. Okay. Here you have to mention judicial means which county you are doing. If you are doing different county, you can mention different county. Tax year. Whether you are doing 24 taxes, you can mention 24. I am doing 25. For this tax year will be 25. Tax status, whether he paid or not paid. Base amount, what is the base amount? You have to mention. Paid amount also, see, base amount, paid amount both are same. So you can mention the same. Due date, if in this, for example, in $989, he paid only $900. Rest of them $89 will be pending. So you can mention in amount pay, in due amount due, you can mention that $89. Okay. So as of now, he paid everything. So what is the base amount? He paid that much only. So there is no due. So mailing date will be October 1st, 2025. Due date is January 15, 2026. Delinquent next before of the due date. So pay date, which date he paid? December 30. Good to date, not applicable. So here, this is a Charleston County. So we have to mention that county address, that where that county exactly located. Okay. So we have sheet. Already we have mentioned everything. You have to go for that only. See, this is the Charleston County's address. So this is the Treasury Office address. Charleston County Treasury Office address 101 Meeting Street, CUT 120, Charleston, SC 29401, phone number. Even though you have to mention phone number also. So delinquent taxes means if this tax is delinquent, you have to mention this tax is a delinquent tax. You have to mention, just you can mention delinquent tax. If it's a delinquent tax, okay. If he didn't pay the tax amount means you can mention delinquent. Okay, just you can mention delinquent taxes. That's it, simple. So this is tax certificate. So here what we have to go for processing, which date we are doing, we have to mention sample address. If you give means you can mention the sample, your present owner name, address, annually, parcel number you can mention, land and building value you can mention, and total the assessed value means what total amount of land and building value. Okay. So is there any exemption? You can mention exemption. Otherwise, no need to mention exemption. Okay. So total taxable amount. But what is the assessed value? You can mention here also. So note means all taxes are paid, 2025 taxes are paid, you can mention here, and 2025 taxes will be mailed out, means which date they will generate the bills of that entire county. October 1st will be the generating bill generating date. So we call it as a mailing date. Here they have mailed out. Okay. Taxes are paid annually. Normally due date is January 15th. So here there is no need to mention year, just you can mention year, month and date. If it's he is paying in Jan 15 is the due date, you can mention. Okay. Judicial, which county you are doing? Charles. Paid year 25. Paid, whether he paid, okay. Base amount you can mention, total paid amount you mention. Is there any due? You can mention mailing date, you can mention due date, delinquent, everything will be same. So this is tax certificate.